Next one, in triangle ABC, cot A by 2 equal to B plus C by A, then the triangle is. Okay, now cot A by 2 is equal to B plus C by A. Okay, according to Mollward rule, B plus C by A is equal to cos B minus C by 2 by sin A by 2. Okay, now cot A by 2 can be cot theta, cos theta by sin theta. Now cos A by 2 by sin A by 2 is equal to cos B minus C by 2 by sin A by 2. Okay, sin A by 2, sin A by 2 cancel. Cos A by 2 equal to cos B minus C by 2. Okay, now A by 2 is equal to B minus C by 2. Okay, 2 cancel. Now A is equal to B minus C. A is equal to B minus C. Now A plus C is equal to B. Both sides adding B. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 2B. Okay, 2B is equal to 180. Now B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, given triangle is right angled. Given triangle is right angled. Third one is the correct one. Okay, next one. Observe the following statements. First statement, in triangle ABC, B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2 equal to S. Second one, in triangle ABC, cot A by 2 is equal to B plus C by A. That implies B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, first statement 1. B cos square C by 2. Cos B by 2 is equal to square root of S into S minus B by AC. Cos square B by 2 S into S minus B by AC. Now B into cos square C by 2 S into S minus C by AB plus C into S minus B by AC. Okay, now BB cancel and here also CC cancel. Okay, now you take first LHS. Okay, S by A and here also S by A common. S minus C plus S minus B. Okay, S plus S 2S. We know that 2S value A plus B plus C minus C minus B. Okay, now CC cancel, BB cancel. Is equal to S by A into A. Now A cancel is equal to S. Therefore, first statement value B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2 is equal to S. Therefore, statement 1 is true. Statement 1 is true. Okay, next statement 2. Statement 2. Okay, cot B by 2 is equal to B plus C by A. Okay, now statement 2. Cot B by 2 can be write cos A by 2 by sin A by 2 is equal to, according to Mollward rule, cos B plus C by A value cos B minus C by 2 by sin A by 2. Okay, now sin A by 2 cancel. Cos A by 2 equal to cos B minus C by 2. Okay, now A by 2 is equal to B minus C by 2. 2 cancel. Now A plus C is equal to B. Okay, now both sides adding B. A plus B plus C is equal to 2B. Now 2B is equal to 180. Now B is equal to 90. Therefore, statement 2 is also true. 2 is true. Therefore, first one is the correct. Both 1 and 2 is correct. Option 1 is the correct one. Okay, next one. In triangle ABC, A is equal to 3C. Then A minus C by 2C. Okay, very important problem. Now, according to tangent rule, tan a minus c by 2 is equal to a minus c by a plus c into cot b by 2. A minus c by a plus c into cot b by 2. Okay, now here a value 3c. A value 3c. Okay, a value 3c means 3c minus c. 2c by 2. Now tan c is equal to a minus c by a plus c into cot b by 2. We know that a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Now a value 3c, 3c plus c, 4c plus b is equal to pi. Okay, now b is equal to pi minus 4c. B is equal to pi minus 4c into cot pi minus 4c by 2. Okay, now tan c is equal to a minus c by a plus c into cot pi by 2 minus 4c by 2. Okay, pi by 2 minus 2c, cot 90 minus 2c, tan 2c. Okay, now a minus c by a plus c is equal to a minus c by a plus c is equal to tan c by tan 2c. Okay, now reciprocal a plus c by, now a plus c by a minus c is equal to tan 2c by tan c. Tan 2c means sin 2c by cos 2c into cos c by sin c. Cos c by sin c. Okay, now both sides minus with 1. Now a plus c by a minus c minus 1 is equal to sin 2c cos c by cos 2c sin c minus 1. Okay, now LCM a minus c, a plus c, minus a plus c. Now a cancel, 2c by a minus c is equal to, now here also cos 2c sin c, again sin 2c cos c minus cos 2c sin c. Okay, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, sin a minus b. Sin a minus b. Okay, now 2c by a minus c is equal to 2c by a minus c is equal to sin 2c minus c means sin c by cos 2c into sin c. Okay, now sin c cancel. 1 by cos 2c is equal to 2c by a minus c. Now that implies cos 2c is equal to a minus c by 2c. A minus c by 2c. But here in option sin b by 2, sin c by 2, cos b by 2, cos c by 2 are given. Okay, now cos 2c value equal to sin b by 2. Okay, we observe that. Now sin b by 2 is equal to, sin b by 2 means we know that a plus b plus c is equal to, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Now a value 3c, 4c plus b is equal to pi. Now b is equal to pi minus 4c. B value pi minus 4c. Now sin pi minus 4c by 2. Okay, sin pi by 2 minus 2c. Value is equal to cos 2c. Sin 90 minus 2c cos 2c. Therefore, cos 2c value equal to sin b by 2. Okay, therefore, a minus c by 2c is equal to sin b by 2. Therefore, first one is the correct one. First one is the correct one. Okay, next one. In triangle ABC, small a value 5, small b equal to 4. and cos a plus b is equal to 31 by 32. In this triangle, small c is equal to, okay, given cos a plus b is equal to 31 by 32. We know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180. Okay, now a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. Cos 180 minus c minus cos c. Okay, minus cos c is equal to 31 by 32. Okay, now cos c is equal to minus 31 by 32. From cosine rule, cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab is equal to minus 31 by 32. Already small a, small b values are given. Okay. Now a square means 25 plus b square means 16 minus c square by 2ab 40 is equal to minus 31 by 32. Okay, 8 fives, 8 fours. Okay, 41 minus c square by 5 is equal to minus 31 by 4. Okay, now by cross multiplication, okay, 164 minus 4 c square is equal to minus 155. Okay, minus 4 c square is equal to minus 155 minus 164. Okay, minus 319. Okay, now minus 4c square is equal to minus 319. Okay, minus, now c square is equal to 319 by 4. Okay, now c is equal to square root of 319 by 4 is equal to square root of 319 by 2. Therefore, small c value square root of 319 by 2. Fourth one is the correct one. Okay, next one. In triangle ABC, small x value tan b minus c by 2 into tan a by 2, y value and z value are given. Now x plus y plus z in terms of x, y, z. Okay, now according to tangent rule, tan b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c by b plus c into cot a by 2. Okay, now x is equal to, small x is equal to tan b minus c by 2 value, b minus c by b plus c into cot a by 2 into tan a by 2. Okay, now cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore, small x is equal to b minus c by b plus c. Next, y value. Similarly, y is equal to c minus a by c plus, y is equal to c minus a by c plus a. And also z is equal to a minus b by a plus b. Okay. Now here x value, y value, z value. Now here consider value, small a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and also c is equal to 3. Now x value is, x is equal to b minus c. Now 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 5, 1 by 5. Okay, now y is equal to c minus a. C minus a means 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 plus 1, 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now z is equal to, now z is equal to a minus b. 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now here x value, y value, z value is there. Now first find x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. Okay, now x plus y plus z is equal to, x plus y plus z is equal to, now x value minus 1 by 5, plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay, now LCM is 30. Okay, minus 6 plus 15 minus 10. Okay, now minus 16 plus 15 minus 1 by 30. Okay, now x plus y plus z minus 1 by 30. Now verification, now here all options are x, y, z. Okay, next to find x, y, z. Okay, now x, y, z is equal to minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 30. But here x, y, z value 1 by 30. But x plus y plus z value minus 1 by 30. Therefore, option minus x, y, z value minus x, y, z is equal to minus 1 by 30. Minus x, y, z is equal to minus 1 by 30. Now here minus x, y, z is equal to minus x, y, z is equal to minus 1 by 30. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equal to minus x, y, z. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one.